And when we talk signature pieces, I'm talking about this 40-foot Sabal palm that they're about to install right here on this property. When you look at this tree, you see character, you see that trophy element, you see all of the important factors that's really gonna make the impact on the front of this home. 40 feet, we thought the other trees were big. We're talking all about incorporating landscape design around the most beautiful element, which is this masterpiece. This is an ultra luxury modern home right here in South Florida. And what makes a successful landscape is one where you incorporate the landscape design to make it look like the property was always meant to be. We're here talking about phase one of landscape design, where we're going around and we're seeing all of the different signature and character pieces, and some are even considered trophy and collectible pieces. You're gonna see over 85% of the trees that are being planted here are native right here to South Florida. When looking on this property and seeing all of the different types of trees that are being installed right here, you see the element of character, where you see the nice bow in the tree trunk, where it looks like the natural habitat. But I wanna show you, we were just going through the placement process to as far as where all the orients are for how the trees are gonna be actually physically set. So right here you'll see, and if you take a step back, how the trees literally, they frame out the house, they makes it look like it was all meant to be. It's all in its natural habitat. Other elements that we've talked about and that we've shown you are, you're gonna see trophy pieces. These pieces are actually collectible items where people are installing these more and more, and in particular, this tree is from Africa. This is the African oil palm, and what's unique about this is that it has a really short trunk, and it has this wide span of these palm fronds that are absolutely beautiful. So when they open this up, it's going to take over this entire area, where essentially you won't even see the building right behind here, which is a gym and a sauna area. But on this property, every single level of placement, type of tree that they're installing, all speaks luxury and modern and natural design.